Hey guys, welcome back to another Makeup Monday with me, Letty. Letosaurus. Mommy? Call me whatever you want. Today we're going to be doing a pastel look. And it's going to be a quick and easy one. Let's go ahead and get started. To start with, I'm going to be taking a little bit of this pastel purple. And I'm just going to be putting it right close to the eyebrow, like along this edge that I have between my eyebrow and the eyelid. Now when I put it on, it's like a purpley blue color. And I'm just going to pat that into my, right above my crease there. And I'm following the line of my eyebrow when I do that. So on camera, it looks kind of periwinkle, I think. I think I'd call this periwinkle. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, so I'm just kind of starting where the corner is. And I'm patting this blue, purple periwinkle color crease above my crease area. Now, the reason why I'm patting it is I want to make sure that I'm getting the most color there. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. And I'm gonna kind of blend that color up. Just the edge, because I wanna make sure I keep the dark color. So now that I've got that edge kind of softened up at the top, I'm gonna take a little bit of pink on this fluffy brush, and I'm gonna start blending that into it. If I had a smaller fluffy brush, I would absolutely be using that instead, because this is hard to control and make sure that I'm not getting the pink all over the blue. But I'm just kind of patting it in, swiping it over, making little circular motions to blend it in with that blue. Make sure I get the nice blend of color there. All right, so now that I've got that done, I'm gonna take a white eyeshadow and a flat brush. And to make it stay better, usually you'll want to wet it. You can wet it with your setting spray. And I'm just going to dab that into my inner corner. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this glitter, and I'm going to just dab that in the middle of my eye. Now for the eyeliner part. As always, I'm gonna start at the edge of my eye, and I'm gonna pull that line out. And because I have a hooded eye, I'm gonna start almost to the edge of that line that I did, but not quite. I'm going to drag that line in. Now this time, I'm gonna kind of swoop it down. You get that kind of, like the hook on a bat wing. I'm gonna touch out the line a bit. And finish off by lining the rest of my eye as tight as I can. And then fill her in. So this is what it looks like all filled in. I'm gonna take a darker pastel blue, and I'm just gonna put it on my finger and just kind of smudge that under the middle of my eye and down. With the clean fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend out the edges a little bit more. And I'm gonna add a little extra sparkle and tap that into it. And I'm gonna add some purple highlighter to my cheeks. right on the cheekbone. I'm just rubbing that in and dabbing it. I'm adding it to my nose as well, just a little dot on the tip. And I'm gonna follow the bridge. Now for brows, I think I'm gonna do a blue and a pink brow, like a blue ombre pink eyebrow. Yeah. So I'm gonna take some blue eyeshadow and I'm gonna put it on a thin, long eyebrow brush. And I'm gonna take the blue and I'm going to put that into the end of my brow. So now that I have the blue blocked out, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a hot pink and I'm gonna put that in the front part of my brows. And with the Spaloogie, I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna blend out the front a bit, make it look more natural. And then I'm gonna blend the blue and the pink together. All right, I'm gonna go get in hair and outfit and I will be right back. And eyelashes. Anyway, bye. Hey guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I feel like it's kind of festival-y with all the glitter and the pink and the blues. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for all of your support. I love you so much. But anyway, guys, write a comment. Let me know if you like the look. If you want me to do more colorful looks like this in the future, more festival looks, more e-girl gothy makeup looks, whatever you want. Let me know what you guys are most interested in. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram to see more looks and my fan house to see short extra makeup videos that I do. And guys, if you want to see me do it live, you can follow me on Twitch at Lettucesaurus. Twitch.tv/Lettucesaurus //pretty/. I love you guys so much. Again, thank you for all the support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on Wednesday for another anime-inspired makeup look. I love you. Bye.